Today I'm going to show you how to set custom keybinds and build macros on your DB1 Pro. So you can see the 4 macro keys here in the key configuration window of DB1 Sync. Up on the right, we have the 2 default modes. So the left button puts it to music mode, the right button will set the default keys. Here in this drop-down list, you can see all of the available options. Clicking the magnifying glass button opens a visual window where you can see all of the keys arranged in a grid. This makes finding a specific key really easy, and you don't need to search through the drop-down menu. It also includes links to special keys, such as the function keys, keypad keys, and DB1 specific keys, such as mute, deafen, and all of the macro keys. Now I'm going to show you how to set a simple keybind. In the key configuration window, click the key you want to set the keybind to. Then you can either use the drop-down menu or the search icon. Pick the key that you want. In this case, I'm going to pick the equals key, and you click set. So you can see here, after tapping it, it types the equal key into the window. Now we're going to build a more advanced macro. The DB1 Pro supports 4 fully customized macros, and each can be mapped to any of the macro keys. You can see here, this key is mapped to the macro 4, and it already has some items in it. I'm going to click the X to clear them. There are several different modes for the macros: type, press, release, wait, and interval. I'm going to build an Alt-Tab macro, and so the first thing I'm going to want to do is press the Alt button. This is the same as pressing on the key and holding it down. After clicking Add, you'll see it added to the macro list. Next, I'm going to release the Alt button. This is the same as releasing it with your finger. Then, the Type key is the same as pressing and releasing on the key instantaneously. So we're going to do that with the Tab. You can see here the Tab is out of order. I can drag it up and move it in the macro order. That looks pretty good. Oops, I accidentally added an extra tab. You can press the X to clear it. Lastly, we'll choose Set Macro, and then let's try it out. Each time I press the button, the macro is executed, in this case just a simple Alt-Tab. Hopefully you found this useful, and thanks for watching.